To use auto email from Sheets, go through the scopes and grant all permissions. With the sidebar open, you need to indicate the column containing the email you will send messages to. The core use of auto email is to send specific emails depending on the value of another column. In this case, column E, which can have a value of approve or disapprove. Next, click Add Value to configure the settings for each value being tracked. Indicate the actual value you'd be tracking. Indicate the subject of the message for emails you'd send with this value and indicate the actual message. While writing your message, note that you can reference any other columns to make your message more personalized. In this case, we are referencing column A, which has the name of the people we will be sending the emails to. Now let's add the details for our other value approve. Indicate the value and subject. Note that if you wish and can write HTML, you can include HTML tags and formatting to make your emails look very professional. I have already used a text editor to write my HTML formatted message, which I can copy and paste. However, ensure your HTML has no head tags. Any styling should be inline. Don't forget to save the data before sending any emails. While sending, indicate the start row and end row. In this case, we are sending one email to the email in row 2, so both the start and end rows will be 2. A success or error message will then be displayed. In our email, the name tag has successfully been replaced with the name corresponding to that row in the sheet. You can also send bulk emails by indicating the starting row and the ending rows accordingly. Emails will then be sent in bulk with success or error messages indicated. Now we can take a look at our HTML formatted email.